Hello and welcome back. The next train we have on here at platform 2 is the 1032 Northern service to Addick, and it's a class 150. It's a 150 150201. Little 150 beast. Hey, it's getting nice and warm now. It was supposed to be raining today, because when I went to Alfreton, it bloody pissed it down. I only got one train, all that way for one train. British weathers. I mean, it has been good actually recently, but I mean, when I went to Hope, Bamford and Haversige, it was quite nice. So this is on its way to Addick. The zoom on iPhone's pretty decent. One 5201. Adwick bound. Addick. Little 150 beast. Hey, 75-mile-an-hour on here. That's not bad. So I think the engineers have stopped now because that annoying beeping sound's gone.